Well, here's an N64 controller repair video. My N64 controller, the analog stick, has gotten really sticky and rough, doesn't work very well. So I'm going to replace it in this controller. And yes, you probably noticed I'm missing the handle on this side. I purposely cut that off to make it more comfortable to hold the controller when I'm playing my games. Right here is the new thumbstick assembly I'm going to install. This is a brand new part. Got it off Amazon.com. So let's open up the controller and replace this. Now when you're taking the controller apart, you want to remember there's two hidden screws right down to here you have to take out. So a screw here, here, right there. There would be one here if I hadn't cut off the handle, another one right down there. And there's one hiding right here off to the side. And another one right there. Let's take all those screws out. You can separate the case. Alright, I got the bottom case removed. So all I can do now is take out these screws right here, these mounting screws, unplug this ribbon cable, and I can take out that module. Here I'm removing the trigger switch, which would be the Z button right here from the module. Lay it over to the side. Take out these three screws, unplug this connector here. Now take out these three screws here. Alright, there's the old one removed. Grab my new one. Plug the ribbon cable back in. So, got my trigger switch back. Oops. Oops, there we go. And then we're going to reassemble the case. Okay, got the rear case back on. Put all the screws back in. Now the two hidden screws. Alright, there we go. It's all back together now. Ah, much better. Alright, let's hook it up and try it out. Alright, let's give it a try here. Oh yeah. That's much better now. Oh yeah. Oh, pretty easy repair to make.